T minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have main engine start. We have liftoff. Hello, what's up guys? Hey, what's happening peeps? This is a Hoover Dual Power Pro carpet cleaner, and this thing works pretty good. I'm gonna clean this spot up right here, and my dog for some reason likes to go potty right here. And I got some dog pads to put down after I clean it. And let me turn this bad boy on. It's pretty easy to use. The water goes in here, and I got it pretty hot, warm, and the dirty water comes out down here. Okay? Power buttons here, on and off. There we go. You put your solution in here. I'm using this stuff right here. This actually I got like 4 different things down. This is Resolve Urine Destroyer, and I'm using this stuff. Is awesome. Red Kool-Aid remover. This gets almost any stain out. And I got this stuff here. Totally awesome. And I got this peroxide, which is a good cleaner. Just basic peroxide. Got all that down. Oh yeah, and when you put that stuff down, dwell time is, I say, at least 10 minutes. Let it sink in the carpet before you start using it. Thing has a lot of options. This is also, can you see that? Wash and rinse. And make sure you have it on wash before you start using it. You want to make sure you have that water reservoir snapped all the way in. I haven't used it in a while. There we go. Oh yeah. So here's a good look, guys, at the water tank that you fill. I guess you call it the reservoir or whatever. See, it has wash and rinse. This knob right here, you can turn it. Wash, and then there you go. Wash and rinse. That's the name of it. Dual Power Pro carpet washer. And you put your solution in here, and water goes on this side. So yes, very, very lightweight, easy to handle. You pour a solution right in here. What's this solution? I'll pour some. This stuff smells really good. This is a Resolve. And you want to make sure you put it back on wash. All the bad water's going in that one below. And you got this thing right here. You can pull this trigger and it deep cleans. Now you want to rinse it. All done, guys. Looks a lot better. And now I just gotta let it dry. I'll turn my fan on and I'll let it dry. Oh yeah. I got a ceiling fan. It's rubbing somewhere up there. But I'll put it on slow. And there you go. And guys, I got these pads to put down on my floor dry. Hopefully the dog will stop peeing on this and stop peeing on the carpet. Yep, guys, and when you're done, just go like this and you pull that bottle one out, and this is all your dirty water. All the dirty water is in this one. And you see how dirty that water is. Look how nasty that is. So yeah, this thing cleans really good. And this lid comes off of here. And you just hit this thing right here and that pulls right out of there. There we go. And you throw it out, pour it down the drain or whatever. Toilet, drain, outside. The thing I like about this is easy to get off and easy to put back on. Just stick it back in there. Make sure you put the lid back on. There you go. Ready to use again. Comes with a brush. This very nice carpet cleaner. So yeah, this is a nice little carpet cleaner. Dual Power Pro carpet washer, they call it. These are the training pads I got. I think I got these from Amazon. So as you can see, 6-layer protection, thicken, leak proof, quick drying. So yeah, I'm gonna put this down and hopefully if she has to go potty, she can go potty on this. Peace out. Okay guys, there's the before and after.